In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A17 and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. If you wish to quickly remove your search bar, all you need to do is hold it and wait for this pop-up to show. When it does, select Remove on the right. And as you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. Pro tip, just in case you want to restore it, you need to pinch your device's display and this way access all of those options at the bottom, like widgets between themes and settings. Tap on widgets, scroll to find Google app and tap on it on the list. Then scroll again, this time to find search bar. Hold it, drag it to the perfect place on your screen and let go. Then tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!